Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It's Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can block someone in your Proton mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to block someone in your Proton mail, you firstly have to open your Proton mail application or open it in any of your browsers. Now, after opening the Proton mail, you will see all of the mails or accounts that you have in your inbox. You just simply have to open any of the mails from the person that you want to block. After opening the mail, you will see the From option at the top. Beside that, from text, you will see the username of the person. You just simply have to click into that, and then you will see the Block messages from this sender option at the bottom. Simply click into that in order to block the person, and click to Block option here to confirm that you are blocking the sender. By following these very easy steps, you can easily block someone in your Proton mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.